A timeless treasure keepsake close to your heart will always be remembered when made a work of art.
Protect your favorite photos with Restored Memories Digital Photo Service. Our photo restoration service can change a 50-year-old family photo with specific instructions from black and white to sepia or detailed color. Transform your portraits into a beautiful soft oil painting or choose from some fun art with a personal caricature. If a unique gift is what you're looking for, try a one-of-a-kind collage of your family's special events or fun pet moments. We can also produce a personalized photo slideshow video complete with music and save them to a thumb drive, SD card, or DVD. Follow us on Instagram or LinkedIn and like us on Facebook and see various samples, other services offered, price information, and turnaround time. Contact Restored Memories and place your order online at restoredmemoriesphotostorage@gmail.com. That's restoredmemoriesphotostorage@gmail.com. Restored Memories Digital Photo Services, preserving your photo memories for a lifetime.